You just took your dad's car for a spin and completely totaled it. If you live in Sweden or America, your dad's first instinct is to check your health insurance. But if you live in Southern Europe or Asia, you better start running because you are officially homeless. We mapped out how dads react to a car crash across 54 countries, including North Korea, and the drama is absolutely unreal. Do me a quick favor. Help our channel smash our ultimate goal of hitting 500 subscribers with this exact video. Smash that like button, share this video with a friend who drives like a lunatic, and hit subscribe right now. Now it's your turn. Drop your country's flag in the comments right now and tell me honestly, would your dad ask if you're okay, or would he end you on the spot? Let me know below and hit follow for the next cultural showdown.